Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Carmen. Sorry I'm not showing my face. I just want to show you an overview of this disaster. If you've checked out my previous videos, you've seen that I've redone my kids' bedroom, and so now this is just the aftermath of all the mess that has come from upstairs down here. So in this video, I'll just be doing like a speed clean, organizing it, but I also wanted to include the actual video of how my niece redesigned it for me. And then I'll link her video and you can check her out and also subscribe to her. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy the speed clean. Thank you for always checking out my videos and liking and commenting. I appreciate it. So yeah, I will catch you in the next one. Bye.